Here's your tutorial script following the exact style from the database minus. Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect N8n to Telegram. This integration is incredibly useful for automating workflows and receiving instant notifications through Telegram, making your communication processes much more efficient. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, you'll need to navigate to n8n.io in your web browser. Once you're on the page, go ahead and type in your credentials to log in. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed straight to your N8n dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your automated workflows. From here, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Create Workflow button. Click on it to begin setting up your new automation. Once you click that button, you'll be directed to your N8n Workflow Editor. Here, you'll notice that you're presented with two ways to create your workflow. You can either build it manually, which is the Add First Step option, or you can build with AI. Both options are viable, but for our purposes today, we'll be taking the manual route to give you full control over the process. To connect Telegram to your N8n, click on the Add First Step button. When you do this, a right side panel will appear on your screen. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search bar. Type in Telegram here. From the list of triggers that appears, select the one you wish to use for your specific workflow. This flexibility allows you to customize exactly how Telegram interacts with your automation. Once the trigger has been selected, a parameter configuration screen will appear. This is where you'll configure your Telegram webhook, which is essential for the connection to work properly. Now switch over to your Telegram app, look for a bot you wish to add. For this tutorial, we'll be using BotFather, which is Telegram's official bot creation tool. Click on it and then click Start. You'll be guided through the bot creation process step by step. To create your bot, type in /new bot and hit Enter. Then enter a name for your Telegram bot. After that, you'll need to enter another name, but this time adding the word bot on the last part. This naming convention is required by Telegram. Once the bot name has been configured, look at BotFather's message carefully. You'll see an access token displayed there. Copy this access token by simply clicking on it, which will directly copy it to your clipboard. Then head back to your N8n configuration screen. Under the credential to connect with section, select plus Create New Credential. A Telegram connection window will appear on your screen. From the access token field, simply paste the token that BotFather provided. After pasting it, click on Save to establish the connection. And there you have it. You've successfully connected N8n to Telegram, opening up a world of automation possibilities for your messaging and notification needs. If you found